I'm down here to the Dáil 2 years later after the shooting of Tony Golden and my daughter Siobhan, and we're now going into the Dáil and asking for help. Because 2 years ago we asked for help 24 hours before the shooting, and we're now asking. We didn't get it, and what happened was horrific for both our families. Now we're going in and asking TDs and senators for help. What we're calling for here is a public inquiry. It's the only thing that we find sort of in public sort of interest, because there's a huge public safety issue here, not only just for domestic violence but even for gays out on bail.
And just outline exactly what happened when you turned up at the Garda station with your daughter that evening.
So we actually turned up at 3 o'clock on Saturday, which was 24 hours exactly before the shooting. And when we went in, first of all we had to get into a queue and waited about 40 minutes to get to talk to a Garda officer. And when we got there, it was a point blank refusal to take a statement. Although Siobhan was black and blue, she had cut marks on her arms and legs and finger marks around her throat. Even Siobhan was lifting her leg up to the counter to explain to the Gardaí, to show her knife wounds. At this stage we were all in fear for our lives, because not only was Mackin threatening to kill Siobhan, he was also threatening to kill Siobhan's children, our children, and myself and Norma. So when they refused point blank